a party going on at Newski's. We have helicopter rides as well. Two of them. Located in Wittenberg, Wisconsin. This is a pretty awesome old truck back here. Yep, that's a rustic truck, for sure. And I do mean rustic. A lot of times they'll sell bratwurst out of this. Very colorful today. Beautiful. Gotta love it. There's lots of concession stands down here for this event. And this is the hula hut over here. A friend of mine runs this concession stand out of Wittenberg.
With cilantro, onions, cheese, and lime. Why are you setting that? Is that one? Yeah. How many?
What's the best deal today, Matea?
The piggyback.
Because it has what in it?
It has Newski's bacon.
Woohoo! Newski's bacon in there. Pretty wild. You get your Amish fresh pies there. We're here at Newski's today, celebrating their 90th year of operation. So brought my canned ham camper down here, and we're going to get some smoked ham in there, and we'll see what's better. This is an event that only takes place once every 10 years, so we're glad to come down here and show you what goes on. Cheers! Over here we have historical site, smokehouse. I think they're smoking them up.
Make sure you're staying hydrated out there.
I also bought some of Newski's Applewood smoked bacon. Delicious. Very famous for that there at Newski's. I'm gonna fry this up, and guess what we're making? Yes, BLTs. Another historical site, first butcher shop. Let's get this show on the road. good bacon. Yes, indeed. Fresh tomatoes right out of our garden. Life is good. The old smokehouse. Lettuce. Tomato. And we have your basic BLT. This will be delicious. And we'll top off the wife's sandwich with some tea or some tomato. She'll be happy to have lunch. It's running a little late, so she's okay with that. Yes, looks like we're ready to eat. Where's my drink? There it is. They actually have several of these vans sitting around on different roads. Great advertising. These are pretty awesome. Taste tells. There's a picture of the store and the plant, which have been expanded over the years. This is part of the plant facility down here for the factory. They do a large mail order service for gift boxes, meat and cheese, and so forth. They have a few classic cars here too to look at, which is awesome. Beautiful tractor. That looks like it'd get up and go. These are all rebuilt. Now y'all come back now, you hear? And you gotta love this new Skis bacon.